Hi, welcome to my digital lessons. Today we are going to talk about the area of a rectangle. Now, about the area of the triangle, you need to know that a triangle has three sides. This is the base, this is the height, and this is hypotenuse. Now, in our case, we are going to dwell with base and height. Now, I want us to use a formula which reads area of a triangle is a half times base times height. Now I want us to put dimensions in this triangle so that we can use it. Now we want to find the area of this triangle using the base of 4 centimeters and a height of 2 centimeters. Now back to our formula, a half times base times height, a half times the base, which is 4 centimeters, times the height, which is 2 centimeters. You can, because this is a fraction, you can make this one's fractions by dividing by 1. So that you multiply this one times this times this times this times this. You divide by this times this times this. Meaning 1 times 4 is 4 times 2 is 8. Centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 centimeters squared. This is the area of this triangle. Now I want us to do an example. Find the area of the triangle below. We can take any base, either this one or this one. Let me take this one. Our formula is area is a half times base times height. This is a half times the base is 8 centimeters times height, which is 6 centimeters. Now, earlier we changed these ones to fractions, but you can also cancel this one. 2 can cancel 8 4 times, or 2 can cancel 6 3 times. Let us use this one. 2 can cancel 1 and go to 8 4 times. Now our area is going to be 4 times 6, which is 24. Centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. That is the area of this figure. This is our second example. Find the area of the shaded triangle in the rectangle below. So the dimensions, this is the length of the rectangle, the height or the width of the rectangle. But this is the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. Now to find the area of this shaded part, we have two ways. One, you can use length. You can use a half times length times width, which will be a half times 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters. This is going to be, make this one's fractions as we said before. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. Divide by 2 times 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. Then you divide using the long method. 15 divided by 2, put 7 times 4, which is 14. 5 minus 1 is 1. You can put a point there and bring a 0. Put 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Now, our area is going to be 7.5 centimeters squared. Now, it means you find the area of the whole triangle, then you divide by 2. Now, using our formula of finding the rectangle, area is a half times base times height. Base and height. A half times 5 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Making these ones fractions, it's going to take you back to this one. So we are going to get 15. 1 times 5 times 3, 15 centimeters squared, divided by 2, which we have divided here using the long method, and the answer is 7.5 centimeters squared. That is all about area of our triangle. Now you can attempt the following questions to see if you have understood the lesson. That is the end of our lesson today. Goodbye.